What do a Civil War Union spy, a conductor on the Underground Railroad, and two newly discovered underground tunnels have in common? They can all be associated with the Basilica of St. Mary the Immaculate Conception, the only African-American basilica in the nation. St. Mary's just recently completed a $6.7 million renovation. From those early days when the work began to its glorious rededication. It had once proved a daunting journey and a remarkable illustration of an uncompromising faith.
I'm glad that Jim Curran was pastor. If I had been in a position like that, I think I would have just packed my bags.
The first time we were trying to just get the job done. And so we didn't have the funds that we would really need to have to do what needed to be done at that time. But we did our absolute best with what we had to work with.
December 8th was the first Mass we had, and I did see people that I hadn't seen since March, and they were here weeping, and it made me weep, and it really was beautiful to be able to see them, and every time I see somebody new, so every Sunday there's a new face.
During the process of the overall project, we identified upwards of 12 graves. 6 of them were what we call crypts, or they were essentially encased in brick.
The Basilica of St. Mary the Immaculate Conception's rich history demands a compelling retelling of its story, a revealing, insightful tour of its journey from 1791 to today.
Father Dubois, bless him, he came to Norfolk because Lafayette sent for him. When he came to Norfolk, he brought with him free blacks as well as the servants of the friends from Haiti. When he got here, the free blacks of Norfolk lived in the vicinity of where St. Mary's is.
It seems that angels have watched over the Basilica for more than 2 centuries. At 8 p.m. on Tuesday evening, November 2nd, after you have voted, come to see The Angels in the Details, an insightful documentary on the memorable story of what has been called the Mother Church of Tidewater. The premiere of The Angels in the Details will be in the Nehru Expanded Cinema, 1507 Colley Avenue, Norfolk, Virginia. Admission is free. You can register online at Eventbrite. Come see The Angels in the Details.